2021. It went by quite fast, perhaps faster than what any of us anticipated. This year I turned 40, and while I contemplate the meaning of having lived on this earth for 4 decades, it seems like a wisp in a desert. It's here and gone. Life is precious. Some of us lost people that we cared about, and nothing makes you realize your own mortality than losing someone close to you. So if you lost someone, I'm sorry. But you made it. This is the year when all of my poor decisions regarding my health served me a bill. I was diagnosed with things I never thought I would have. I experienced real tooth pain for the first time in my life. And somehow I've come to understand that life truly is borrowed time. Now, this is not a farewell, except to 2021. Because we waited for it so anxiously. We wanted 2020 to end so badly that we skid into the new year and couldn't slow down. We could have been more careful what we wished for. In a way, 2021 had a lot more impact in my life than 2020 ever could. And the funny thing is, I didn't even see it coming. In the midst of everything, our lives will never be the same. Major things happened this year that will forever change us. Things that perhaps we never imagined we'd be saying just 12 months ago. Decisions have been made, things have simply happened to us, and because we're all somehow connected to each other, there's a ripple effect that affects each and every one of us. We could spend hours talking about how 2021 could have been better and reminisce about the things we looked forward to after the train wreck that was 2020. Perhaps, instead, we can look to the future and realize that our lives are what we make of them, that happiness is a personal decision, and that no one owes you anything. So perhaps instead of pointing fingers, 2022 can be the year that we take charge and make decisions that benefit our lives and the lives of those around us. And, well, I'll get to the video. All of this has a point in the end. In the end, it's about facing your fears. It's about embracing change, and it's about taking charge. Fear is paralyzing. Fear is contagious. I'm not talking about fear of heights or fear of roaches laying eggs in your ear canal. I'm talking about fear of taking a step forward. Fear of risk. Fear of failure, fear of success. Fear is not meant to be a constant state of mind. It's meant to be conquered. And the one thing that will overcome it is action. Like Paul Atreides facing a dust storm in an ornithopter, or facing a giant worm that devours things as big as a building. Those of us who made it to 2022, let's make it count. Let's not take it for granted, and let's make a better future, because no one guarantees that we will make it to 2023. I want to take a moment to thank you for your support this year. If you followed me from the beginning of my channel, and if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing. There is more fun builds like this coming up. Thank you for watching, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next one.